Hello, dear friends. I am Andrea Cavalcanti from Love It by Andrea, and today I am going to give my first impressions on some Ulta makeup. I never used a Ulta makeup brand last month. 2 months ago they had this gift with purchase and this sale, and I got this bag with some makeup products. So I'm gonna show you now how I did this makeup look using all my Ulta Beauty products, and I will come back soon. But one of the products that I got was this Mattifying face primer. It's not oil-free, paraben-free, and I really like the texture, and it's very soothing, you know what I mean, on your face. I really like it. When you apply it, your face is like very smooth. I like it, and you can see right the results. And I didn't apply any powder, so even after, it's just like my makeup, because every time that I'm trying new products, especially if it's one that is just like to mattify my makeup, I don't like to apply any powder, just to see how it's going to control the oil production of my face. The matte eyeshadow primer, I like it too. I had no problem whatsoever applying my eyeshadows, and it's holding on pretty good. I like it. Oh my gosh, I love this mascara. The mascara was the only product that I tried before, and I'm gonna explain you why. Because I like to make the mascara kind of thick, you know. I don't know why I have this thing that the mascara just starts to show to you what is really for, you know what I mean, like to bring all its magic, you know, after the third or fourth time that you use it. But this one, I'm getting this kind of the same results since the first time that I apply it. So, and I love the way that the bristles are. It's very short, so it kind of, what I'm gonna say is gonna sound like strange, but even though it's short, the bristles, it kind of really coats every single eyelash, so giving some length and volume. I like it. I mean, this one is really good. The eyeshadows, I was really impressed by the pigmentation. I was expecting a lot of fallouts from the shimmery, but actually I had more fallouts from the Rush Hour, this dark one here, this dark brown, but it was not that bad, you know what I mean? Even like high brands, you have fallout, major fallout. So this one, good. I like the pigmentation. I even like this pigmentation more than the one that I have from Maybelline. This one is way better. I like it. Those two, the lipstick, I love this Nude. I like the name also. It's barely there, so it's beautiful. I like it. And since it's barely there, I just to give like some shiny, I applied the lip gloss that came on this gift with purchase, and I like it. And I think that those two brushes, they came just as a bonus. There is no number on those, so I don't know from which collection they are. So, but they're kind of okay. I think it was just like a nice thing for you to have. You know what I mean? Since you're getting an eyeshadow palette, so it was good for you to have, and this is really good for you to have on your purse, you know, whenever you want to just touch up your eyeshadow. The only thing that I ask is, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your comment and say what product from affordable brands that you like, that I wanna try. Okay, see you next time. Bye.